The strength of a Nasi Lemak dish lies in the sambal served with it, along with slices of cucumber, peanuts, and fried anchovies. If the sambal has a delicious taste, the Nasi Lemak is sure to be flavorful and well loved by many. The popular Nasi Lemak Burung Hantu, which has even gained recognition in Indonesia, truly has a delicious sambal that suits the taste buds of people from all walks of life, be it Malay, Chinese, or Indian. Moreover, the sambal is not too spicy, making it suitable even for children to enjoy. Nasi Lemak Burung Hantu has now opened a new branch located inside ST Rosyam Mall at Batu 3, Jalan Kebun, Klang Selangor. Nasi Lemak Burung Hantu, which operates 24 hours a day, offers an option for those who often feel hungry during midnight or early morning hours, serving as an alternative to mamak stalls or instant noodles. The aroma of the Nasi Lemak stored in a wooden container helps preserve its flavor and ensures the dish stays warm at all times. Made with basmati rice, the Nasi Lemak delivers a rich, creamy taste that is clearly evident with every bite. With the addition of kangkung, water spinach, and a variety of side dishes such as fried chicken, fried egg, squid, and beef, Nasi Lemak Burung Hantu has started to gain popularity among many. With an organized and efficient system, one of the main attractions that draws people to try the delicious Nasi Lemak Burung Hantu at any of its branches is the smooth and speedy service.